Sweet and spicy, crispy salmon bites. A family style favorite here in this house, a go-to for a quick and simple lunch or dinner. Make it a complete meal served over rice alongside your favorite griddled veggies. It comes together so quickly for a shareable snack any time of the day. I'm going to show you guys how you can make this at home on your Blackstone. Salmon is one of my favorite things to cook on the Blackstone, whether it's outside on my traditional Blackstone griddle or inside on a cold day like today on the Blackstone E-Series. It is always guaranteed to cook up perfectly, and the crust that the Blackstone creates when cooking salmon, or any fish for that matter, is just unbeatable. The first thing we need is some green onions, and I go overboard with green onions, sliced nice and thin. We'll slide them aside for now and jump over to our sweet and spicy sauce. With just 4 simple ingredients that I always keep on hand, it comes together so quickly. A little QP mayo, which is a Japanese style mayo. Next up, some sweet Thai chili sauce. This is going to bring the sweet to our sauce. And then for our heat, we have some sriracha. You want to use as much or as little sriracha as desired, depending on how spicy you want your sauce to be. Then I go heavy on some toasted sesame oil. Give this a whisk together and give it a taste. You might want to adjust your flavors, whether you want it more spicy or more sweet, or if you really want that sesame flavor to pop, you can add more sesame oil. Now onto our beautiful salmon. I have 2 Faroe Island salmon fillets, or fillets. While we prep our salmon, let's get our Blackstone E-Series preheated. I want to turn it on to 400 degrees and allow that to come up to temperature. You can either keep your salmon as a whole piece, especially if you're cooking it for a dinner or a lunch. I like cubing it up into bite-sized pieces. Sometimes I'll leave the skin on, sometimes I'll remove it. Today we're going to remove it, and then just dice this up into nice bite-sized pieces. When it comes to cooking my salmon, I love using seasoned wok oil. I show you guys this all the time. Today we're gonna make a quick version of our own for those of you that can't find the seasoned wok oil. It's full of flavors like ginger and green onion, garlic. So for a shortcut at home, you'll wanna drizzle on a little extra light tasting olive oil and then season everything up with some dried garlic powder, onion powder, and ginger. You can also use fresh ingredients if you have garlic and ginger and green onions on hand. Go ahead and flavor up any oil that you like. Give that a quick mix. We'll sprinkle over some sesame seeds. You can use any kind that you want. I love the way that the tuxedo black and white ones look all over this salmon. Give it a toss just to coat everything evenly. Our Blackstone is up to temperature and ready for us to drop down our salmon. This is going to crisp up in just minutes, about 2 minutes per side. You can go longer if you like your salmon well done, or less if you like your salmon more on the medium rare side. I love the smell of this griddling up. I could eat this just like this, but we're gonna go down and drop it into a large metal mixing bowl, and over the top with a big spoonful or 2 of our sweet and spicy sauce, a handful of our green onions, a little extra sesame seeds, and give that a gentle mix to coat our salmon. And that's it. Time to plate this up. I love serving it with extra sauce drizzled over the top. Of course, making it look as pretty as possible. I love extra green onions over the top and extra sesame seeds. This I lay out with some chopsticks and I let everyone dive in. My kids love this one and I know you guys are gonna love it. It's perfect for a quick snack. Perfect over some rice for a complete meal with some griddled up veggies, or you can even turn this into one of my favorites, my salmon tacos. That video you can find on the Blackstone YouTube channel, along with a ton of other recipes that we have for you guys to try. But for this one, I know you guys are gonna love this salmon and I cannot wait to see you guys enjoying it just as much as me and my family do. When you guys make it, post a picture, you know the drill. Tag Blackstone products, tag Blackstone Betty, send me a picture. Be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video.